Welcome friends. In this important video, I will show you how Bitcoin can hit $300,000 in this bull run. Yes, my dear friends, Bitcoin can hit easily $300,000 in this bull run. How this can happen? I will show you this amazing chart, and I will show you how Bitcoin can hit this. First of all, please like this video and please watch this video until end. And if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get $2,310 bonus, then go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange and Bybit Exchange. After clicking on this link is available on this video's description. This is my affiliate link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link, and after deposit you can get $700 vouchers free, and you can get $700 bonus. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus, then click on this link. This is Bybit link. Create your account, and after deposit you can get easily $1,600 bonus, which is withdrawable and which is tradable too. And if you create your Binance account with my link, then on every trade you can get 25% special fees discount. Let's dive into the content, and let me please show you this amazing chart. First of all, let me please tell you, this is BNC chart, this is weekly chart, and these yellow lines are the halving lines. Here you can see. Bitcoin halving dates are, first Bitcoin halving was occur on 28 November, second halving was on 9 July 2016, and third halving was 11th May 2020. Let me please show you how I think Bitcoin can hit $300,000 in this bull run. This is 2012, and Bitcoin make it stop $30, and here you can see after that Bitcoin price goes down, and after this is halving date. The halving date is at here you can see first halving is at 28 November 2012. Just after 2 days halving, and here you can see after halving Bitcoin price goes up in very speedy way. Here you can see. Bitcoin price goes up, and after that Bitcoin price retests this Fibonacci level of 1.6. How I draw this Fibonacci levels? Let me please tell you. I draw it from top to bottom, and here you can see once Bitcoin break this, and after that after the bull run and price goes to, let me please show you how much Bitcoin price. Here you can see Bitcoin price goes to $270, and after that Bitcoin price goes down to $52, and after retesting 1.6 Fibonacci level, Bitcoin bounced back, and after that here you can see very huge upside move. And let me please calculate this move, and this was after hitting 1.6 level. Bitcoin move approximately near about 20x. Yes, my dear friends, Bitcoin make 20x after hitting this 1.6 Fibonacci level. Bitcoin bounce back and make 20x. Let me please write down here 20x, and let me please clear this, and let me please, this is very important video. Watch this video until end. Here you can see, and after this halving Bitcoin makes 20x. Okay, now what is next? After halving Bitcoin, after halving of 20, which was at 28 November 2012, Bitcoin make this top, and price was $1,170. After that, let me please remove this, and let me please remove this, and after that I will show you how I calculate this. Let me please calculate this. Here we have to calculate bottom to top. Here you can see I calculate bottom to top, and here you can see very beautiful thing is going to come, and it is that. Now, after halving of 2016, which was at I think so 9th July 2016, the date was 9th July, not 6th July, and after that price of the Bitcoin moves towards upside and goes to 2,988. But after hitting this top, Bitcoin price goes down to $1,800. Here you can see it was the retracement of, let me please show you. It was the retracement of approximately 39% approximately, and Bitcoin price goes down 39%. But after hitting, here you can see, after hitting this 1.6 Fibonacci level, Bitcoin bounced back heavily. And after that, here you can see this magic. Let me please show you this magic. And after that, Bitcoin make its new top. Let me please calculate this top. Bitcoin hit 1.6 Fibonacci level, and after that Bitcoin hit this zone, which is something round about 1000%. Okay, 1000%. Let me please write this. It's been 10x, and let me please do this. Bitcoin made this move after hitting 1.6 Fibonacci level. Bitcoin make its top and price goes to $19,977 approximately. You can say $20,000, and Bitcoin give 10x profit after the halving and make this top. First of all, Bitcoin make after hitting 1.6 Fibonacci level 20x. After second halving, top to bottom, once Bitcoin make top, and after that Bitcoin decrease to 1.6 Fibonacci level, and after hitting 1.6 Fibonacci level, after touching this zone, Bitcoin bounce back again and Bitcoin price goes up to $20,000 and Bitcoin gave 10x. After first halving, Bitcoin gave 20x. After second halving, Bitcoin gave 10x. Now, what is next? Now, after this halving and after this top, Bitcoin price goes down to $3,300, and after that Bitcoin price moved towards upside, and this is the halving date. Which is this yellow line near about, yes, this is the halving date, 11 of May. After 11 of May, here you can see price of the Bitcoin move very, very speedy way, and at the halving time, Bitcoin price was approximately $9,000, and after that, here you can see very beautiful move towards upside, and Bitcoin hit this level, 42,000, and after that Bitcoin price again hit 1.6, and after hitting 1.6, Bitcoin price again goes to directly $65,000. Here you can see after hitting this Fibonacci level 1.6, Bitcoin price hit again this $65,000, and after making this top, Bitcoin price goes down to hit again. Let me please remove this. After that, Bitcoin price goes down to hit again this 1.6 Fibonacci level, and after hitting, Bitcoin price move towards upside. Let me please zoom this to clear watch. Let me please zoom this. Here you can see after hitting this, Bitcoin price again bounce back. Here you can see again bounce back. Here you can see, and Bitcoin hit again $41,000. Now, what is the next target right now? Bitcoin is still holding 1.6 Fibonacci level, and if I calculate the previous profits after halving, Bitcoin bounced back. Bitcoin moved towards upside, and after bounce back to 1.6 Fibonacci level, after hitting 1.6, Bitcoin hit its all-time high, and Bitcoin make 20x. And after this bull run of 2016, Bitcoin, after hitting 1.6 Fibonacci level again, and Bitcoin gave 10x. Now, what is next? Bitcoin is currently at $33,000. Bitcoin hit this Fibonacci level, which is at 1.6 Fibonacci level, which is $30,000. Let me please zoom this. Here you can see this is at $30,000. Now, what is next? If I calculate on previous data, if I calculate my target based on previous data, in that case, let me please show you what is the target. If Bitcoin moves just 10x from after hitting 1.6, in that case, Bitcoin price can easily goes up to here you can see $350,000 is the next, is this bull run target is 359,000 or 360,000. This is the target where Bitcoin can easily hit. If we see Bitcoin previous history, and if Bitcoin hit just 10x after hitting 1.6 Fibonacci level, then Bitcoin can easily hit $3,59,225. $359,000 Bitcoin can easily hit. This is the very realistic target for the Bitcoin. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel right now and hit the bell icon right now. And if you are new, then subscribe and share my channel. And if you want to get these bonuses of Binance Exchange and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video description where you can get this link of Binance and Bybit exchanges. After creating Bybit account with my affiliate link, you can get $700 bonus voucher. And if you open Bybit account with my affiliate link, in that case you can get $1,600 bonus, which is free.